I found out about Western Timber Frame on the House app about a year and a half ago. My experience from the beginning to the end was fantastic. And any concerns or anytime I had to call for questions, they were prompt to get back to me and handled any concerns and issues we had. It was a fantastic experience. We love it. We come out here in the morning sometimes and or eat dinner out here a lot now. Never used the deck before until it was all put together, but just the way the sun comes up and over the house, it provides enough shade and gives us enough sunlight, so it's been unbelievable. It's a better experience than we anticipated. Yes, I would absolutely recommend the Western Timber Frames to do your work.
So we wanted to do something special in our backyard, and we met with the design manager, Tyler Jensen, and he went over different designs with us and what we felt would work in the area and gave us a couple different options, and we settled on this, and we enjoyed it. It's been a great pergola for us.
We actually came in contact with Western Timber Frame when we were at the Home and Garden Show in Salt Lake City. It was this very structure that they had on show, and we liked it so much we asked them if they would come by and give us some measurements and see if it would fit the dimensions of our property. I just do what my wife tells me to do. So she really liked the gabled roof, and I think because of the layout that we have here, where you can see the structure from down below in the backyard as well as when you enter from the side, and of course we like the front gable so that while you're in the pool you have that structure as well. I think 2 years. Yeah, it would be 2 years. Yes, I do. I come out and sit by the fire and do my paperwork for work. With the fire on, actually, just the shape of the structure, it retains a lot of heat. So when I'm sitting out here in the winter, it feels like I'm sitting in front of